Hello, Warren County, Kentucky. Summer's here and the weather's heating up, much like our real estate market. If you're looking for the latest in market data, I have it right here. Allow me a moment to introduce myself. I'm Melissa Albert with the Living in Kentucky team, brokered by EXP Realty. Now, let's dive into your local market report. As of the time of this video, we saw a heating up of the real estate market with an increase of active listings to 551, 228 homes pending, and an increase in the pending homes last month translated to an increase in solds from 122 homes sold last month to 166 homes sold this month. And the average list price also saw an increase of 20%. $358,105 was the average, and the average sold price also increased by 18.9% to $347,025. And the average days on market remained steady at 76 this past month. Whew, that was a lot of information really quickly. Let me break it down for you. Buyers, we're seeing more homes entering the market, which is providing you additional options when you're looking for the right property. But buyer demand remains high and housing inventory is still below what we would like to see in order to satisfy that needed demand, which means prices have continued to rise, albeit at a slower pace than we saw over the past couple years. Sellers, homes that are priced correctly are going under contract quickly, with savvy buyers snatching them off the market and even paying a bit more than they did in previous months if that home is the right fit for them, which is why having a strong go-to-market strategy is vital in getting your home marketed to the most buyers possible. So if you are thinking about selling, now is the time to get your home positioned in front of buyers before school starts and we shift out of peak selling season. For both buyers and sellers, having an agent who understands the market shift is critical for negotiating the best terms and conditions for you. If you are thinking about buying or selling, reach out to my team and I, and we will be glad to discuss how we can make your next move a winning one.